If you use QuickBooks for invoicing your customers, I want to show you how you can get all of those emails and invoices to log into your CRM system. The particular one I'm going to be showing today is HubSpot. So if you use HubSpot, you can follow along exactly. But if you use a different CRM, most CRMs have a BCC email address that's specific to your account. And you can add that into the settings in QuickBooks so that every time you send an email to a customer, it shows up inside of your activity feed. And what I'm talking about specifically here is if I have a contact record inside of my HubSpot account, and I send an email to that person, I want to be able to, or sorry, if I send an invoice from QuickBooks to that person, I want to see that invoice show up in the activity feed. So the way that you do that is navigating over to our settings here. We're going to click the setting and then click on account and settings. Then we're going to go to sales, scroll down here to messages. And then in the messages section, it says blind copy new invoice to address. So that's that. What's the address we want to send that to? And to get that, you're going to open up the settings of your HubSpot account. So I'm going to do that here. And we go to general, email logging settings. And then right here, it says the BCC address. So you're going to copy that email address there. And then back over here, I can paste in that address. And then you're going to hit save. And once you have saved that, then you can click done. And now we're going to test if this indeed worked. So I'm going to click edit and go over to review and send. And now you can see that, first of all, there is the default address filled out there, which is great. And I want to click send invoice. So I just sent it. Now I can go back over to my contact record here. It might take a second. So we're going to refresh here and see if it showed up yet. It might take a little longer. So we'll give it a minute and then refresh one. So I pop in here and you can see in the activity feed sent May 17th, there is the email. Just makes it a little bit easier to see those conversations and communication that's happening with your clients directly in line of the activity feed. Thanks so much for watching. If you're new here, my name is Chris. I'm the owner of Boolean Automation. We are a consulting company that specifically works with home service and painting companies to automate and streamline their business processes. The product that is most popular is a review software that we've built called Boolean, and it is a Google review generating tool that automates the process of sending out requests and reminding people, and also making it super easy with some really creative AI features and some other integrations with home service popular softwares to get you the most Google reviews based on the conversion rate that we get of completed projects turning into Google reviews. So if that's of interest, click the link down below and we would be happy to show you a demo.